I've wanted one of these since the first time I saw it, but I also needed a much more powerful one, so I went and bought the DeWalt. But then I was like, I would like a cordless one. And I'm like, should I really get 2 pressure sprays? And of course, the answer was yes. Because this one has been used 3 times, and someone in Brisbane was selling it for $175. I asked for $150, he said yes. Like, so many wins, it's ridiculous. Brushless model. Brushless means there's no brush in the motor. This thing's got more torque, it's got more power, it will last longer. So with Ryobi, remember brushless means like premium. First thing we have here is this thing you shoot from. See, there is 1, 2, 3 options. There's some arrows here. Turbo head, 15, and rinse. So there's a nice gentle rinse. The guy that sold it to me said it's not particularly strong. It's not like a pressure washer. It's better than a hose. So this is the hose. This comes in a carry case. It's the hose connector. The thing that you drop in the bucket so you can siphon water. It has a filter, looks like, so you don't suck up anything like a rock. And it's kind of heavy. So it'll also be weighted, so it's not just going to float around. And I'm assuming this is your float, so that it sits in the bucket about there, and then this floats in the bucket. And here is look at this thing. Ryobi is just amazing. I like how they use yellow and black, it just makes it look so epic. This is your hose attachment, massive battery port. So it looks like they got lights on the back here. It says mode 1, 2, and 3. This also was supposed to come with another little fitting. It's a little tiny green or yellow piece, and then you can put a 2-litre bottle attachment. He either lost it, or it just didn't come with one, and you gotta buy it separately. You gotta buy it separately. Good on Ryobi for thinking ahead. This just clicks in. So I'm going to use this on the balconies at Bonplains, and maybe even in the bathrooms, but you're not allowed to soak because you don't want water getting in through any cracks, crevices or tiles, or mold will get in the walls, floors, and in 6 months you'll have all this damage and you will not be such a great cleaner after all.